Hi! One of my most asked questions is how to clean the carbon off your tips once you've been using them for a while. Now, it's really simple. First off, we're going to start with a piece of leather. Now, this is just a scrap piece of leather. It doesn't have to be anything special. If you've got a strop, great, you please use a strop. And I also have a block of white polishing compound. It's also called aluminum oxide. Depend on where you are from, it depends on what it's called. And you can also get this in a powder form. And all you're going to do is rub your white polishing compound or aluminum oxide, depending on what it is, onto your fluffy side of your leather. And what I'm going to do is just take this and I'm going to go rub it onto the fluffy side of the leather, and you can see it's on there, don't need too much. And you can see here we've got this tip, and let me just there you can see that tip, it's got a little bit of dirt on the end. I generally keep my tips pretty clean, so we're just going to rub and just going to round around in circles on here, and you can get to the edges and the top. You don't need any pressure on here. I'm not putting a lot of pressure on, and you're just going to rub it through. Now, the great thing about having a piece of leather that folds is that you can fold it over and then just give it a good rub in there as well as, and then you've got a relatively shiny tip again. Now, like I say, it doesn't matter whether it's a wire tip or a fixed tip, you can still do the same, exactly the same, and then clean, good old clean in there. So there you go. That is how you clean your tips without scratching them.